Southampton. You like it? Want to go show them where the turtle is?
So what to pull out of?
Oh, where's the turtle? Can you go grab the turtle? Give him some water? Yeah, see if you can give him some water with the pipe. You thirsty? You washing him off? Is he clean now? Over here, bud.
Daddy,
yeah.
He opened his mouth and he drank some.
He did?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, thanks for giving him a drink.
Daddy.
Yeah. No, you can't pull on that, buddy. It is kind of sturdy. It has to be with a 3-year-old. Easy to make.
He opened his mouth again.
Good? Alright, want to say goodnight?
Who's that?
Say goodnight. Good night, Dad.
Good night, Dad.